Hi everyone. While driving home, I heard a pop, thump thump thump, and found this screw in my tire. I pulled out my tire repair kit and got to work. The kit contains a rasp, needle inserter, and tire plugs. I removed a tire plug and inserted it into the needle inserter. I used a flat-bladed screwdriver to spread open the eye of the needle, inserted the plug, and then centered the plug in the needle. Next, I used a pair of pliers to remove the screw from the tire. I then used the rasp tool by sliding it in and out and twisting it in the hole to clean and roughen the hole. Next, I inserted the plug with the inserter, pushing the plug in at least 2/3 of the way and pulling the inserter straight out. And finally, using a wire cutter, I cut off the excess material. And here is a look at the screw. I then pulled out a bottle of dish soap and water, sprayed the plug, and looked for any air bubbles that would have indicated an air leak. I filled more air into the tire, gave it a test run, and rechecked for leaks. I ran some errands the next day and checked my tire pressure to confirm no leaks. Over my lifetime, I made at least a dozen repairs with this and other kits. I'll leave a link to a similar kit in the description below.